Have you ever noticed something strange about restaurant pasta when you eat it? The sauce seems to live inside the pasta instead of sitting on top. At home, the sauce often slides away after just a few bites. But in restaurants, every strand stays coated until the plate is empty. Most people think the secret is butter or cream. Some think chefs simply use better ingredients. The real reason happens during the final minute of cooking. And most home kitchens skip this step completely. Home cooks usually finish pasta in boiling water until it is fully done. Then they drain everything and add sauce afterward. That method cooks pasta correctly, but the structure closes too early. Once that happens, pasta cannot absorb sauce anymore. Professional kitchens stop cooking pasta earlier than most people expect, usually around 1 minute before the final texture. At that moment, the center of the pasta is still slightly firm, but the surface is ready to absorb flavor. Instead of draining and serving immediately, chefs move pasta into the sauce. The last minute of cooking happens directly in the pan. During this stage, pasta absorbs liquid like a sponge. Starch on the surface binds with the sauce. The sauce becomes thicker without adding cream or butter. And the pasta captures flavor inside its structure. That is why restaurant pasta tastes deeper and more balanced. Flavor is not just outside, it is integrated. Another detail makes this process work perfectly. Chefs always add small amounts of pasta water to the pan. This cloudy water contains dissolved starch from the pasta. It stabilizes the sauce and helps create emulsion. Fat, water, and starch combine into a silky texture. That texture coats pasta evenly and stays attached. Home kitchens often skip this because the step looks unnecessary. But this is exactly where restaurant pasta is created. Without that final minute inside the saucepan, pasta and sauce remain two separate elements. With it, they become a single dish, balanced, glossy, and full of flavor. Once you start finishing pasta this way,